Hi everyone, Jack and Miso from英作文会話 community here again. As always with my videos with Miso, today's video is meant as listening practice for you. And my camera setup today is a little different, and that is because recently it's been getting cold and Miso is enjoying her heating pad. This is a warm little spot that she likes to relax on, and I didn't want to disturb her for the video. So since it's been getting colder recently, I'm sure a lot of you have started taking hot baths. And that led to a student asking me, is it true that Americans don't take baths even in winter? And to answer that question very simply, yes, it is true. We don't take baths even in winter. But to give a bit longer of an answer, I interviewed a couple of my friends, and this is by no means the best data, as all of my friends are young men around my age, so it's a little bit biased, but they all said they had not taken a bath in years. One of my friends said he hadn't taken a bath in over 10 years. And for me personally, I also have not taken a bath in years. Since I came to Japan 2.5 years ago, I've taken one bath. And that was just to try out the Japanese style bath. But why is it that we don't take baths? And I thought about this question a little bit, and I think the simplest answer is it just takes too much time and it's easier to shower. But I also have another theory, and that is most people in America shower in the morning. I've talked about this in a previous video, but this means that instead of coming home after a day of work and relaxing and taking your time in the bath, for us, when we're getting in the bath or taking a shower, it's usually in the morning before work. So we're rushing a little bit and we don't have time to relax and enjoy it. I will say, I think women tend to take a lot more baths than men do, but for some reason, it's just seen as unnecessary. Showers have the same effect of getting you clean, and they're way faster and easier. So I think that's my answer. If anyone else has another reason they can think of, I would love to hear it in the comments. But what do you think? Do you think it's strange that Americans still take showers even in winter when it's really, really cold out? I would love to know. But that's going to do it for us. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to practice your English more, be sure to click the link below and sign up for a lesson with me at英作文会話 community. But that's it for us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.